What in the hell? Are you serious? Squirrels love meat now? What is this shit? This says here, squirrels have apparently, sorry for the mistake of the word, been eating meat this whole time. So you mean to tell me that squirrels love meat now? I thought squirrels love acorns. Seriously. What happened to that crap? Let me look this up. I'm gonna look this up. Oh, they're probably, carnivores, squirrels. How is that even a thing of squirrels nowadays? How in the world we got carnivore squirrels? I thought dinosaurs have more than enough of squirrels. Of carnivores. Like, those dinosaurs are carnivores. So that's the reason. But still. No, I have no clue what to say about this, so, yeah, I have no clue what to say about this, but I don't know why squirrels are eating meat. If they want to be carnivores, then what's the point? There was no joke. How is that even a point? How is that a point? This says here, scientists recently caught squirrels hunting and eating meat for the first time. With the cute forest, they were mostly going after force. I don't understand why squirrels are eating meat now. Like, seriously. I have no clue why, to be honest. Then there was no joke why, but whatever. Squirrels are now eating meat. I guess it won't hurt it for people nowadays, so that's all I can say about it. Squirrels are eating meat. Squirrels are eating meat. What should I even say about this? Squirrels are eating meat now. Squirrels are eating me my ass. Well, welcome to the future. This is where we got here, so welcome to Squirrels eating meat now. Rest in peace, acorns. Well, guys, if you enjoyed my news, make sure to leave your comments down below. And as always, guys, see you guys next time. Dude.